And we are continuing. Looks like shopping center, but there are some lawyers as well inside. You can have new nails here. Special. Patio again. Lawyers. If you want to be a resident, so they make residencia as well. Let's continue. Central restaurant and cafe. Small restaurant. So let's see what they have. Very friendly, nice stuff. So I highly recommend to come here, eat something. Gracias, chicos. Hasta luego. Next one, cafeteria, hamburgueseria, truck. So you can eat some hamburger here. They have home service. Gracias, chicos. And mango shop. You know. Again, you can buy everything you need. Clothes. Alright, so that was Plaza del Charco, shops and restaurants. Now we continue with another street and square.